Are you a content creator, or let's say you're a business owner or even a video creator, and you're looking for a way to create voiceovers that have Nigerian accent, like real Nigerian accent, not the one that you have to struggle, do so many tweaking and all of that. I'm talking about real Nigerian accent. I want to show you how you can get real Nigerian accent voiceovers for your videos in this particular video. So watch to the end. First of all, let me play this particular audio for you and tell me how you feel about it.
Good evening and welcome to Business Update. Today, we're seeing encouraging signs across key sectors as financial gains continue to trend upward for individuals and businesses alike.
So, did you like what you heard? So let me show you how to achieve something like this. Now, what I'm about to show you are in two ways. Is either you use the application, that's the app on your mobile device, or you can go to your browser to use this particular feature as well. So when you come to this particular platform, the first thing you want to do is to put your instruction saying how you want it to be, and you put in your text, that's the voiceover that you want to work on. You click on this particular place you're seeing here, and then you set it to single speaker. Okay, that's if it's one speaker that you want. But if you want multiple speakers, I'm also going to make a voiceover. I'm going to make a video on that as well to show you how to work on that, but I'm using a single speaker, which is what you're seeing right here. Then you see the model settings, you leave the temperature the way it is, you come to voices, then you see different types of voice. So you play the voice and see if you love it.
What sparks your interest?
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
So you see now, this is for leather. So these are the various voices. So if you want it to be a man, you indicate. If you want to be a woman, you also indicate. Now when you're done with setting this up, what you need to do is to come here to your style instruction and indicate that read aloud in a warm Nigerian female accent as a femme newscaster. This particular content I wanted this AI to do a voiceover on is for newscasting. All right, so I had to indicate that it should be for what, a femme woman, female accent as a femme newscaster, and I indicated it should have a Nigerian female accent. So you put that there, and then you click on run. So once you click on run, you allow it to give it some few seconds or minutes depending on the length. Okay, the amazing part is that you can create up to more than 5 minutes voiceover. That's so amazing. Do you know how I actually stumbled on this particular feature? I was looking for a way to create a voiceover for a video ads I was doing for a client, and it wasn't just giving me what I wanted. Most of the platforms I saw that were saying they could do a Nigerian accent were all fake, because Nigerian accent was not accenting. Let me use that word. Okay, and they were charging me huge dollars. But this particular platform I'm showing you now is free. So now that you know how to put the style and the instruction, you put in your text, you know how to change your model, the mode, and then the voicing. Let me show you what the platform is. So first of all, you go to your browser and you want to search for go to your browser and you want to search for Google AI Studio. So when you come to Google AI Studio, you see the website here, Google AI Studio. So they will ask you to sign up, connect to your Google account. That's the only way you can access it. So when you connect to your Google account, it will bring you to a place like this. So what you do is to select that you want to do a text to speech, and then you select the version that you want to work with. So it's either I use the first one or I go with the second one. So let's say I want to go with the first one. Now here they will ask you, you see this one now, this particular style you will see here automatically is for two speakers. Okay, so I do not want to do for two speakers yet. I want to do for just one speaker, one person speaking, because it's a voiceover for an ad. So I click on this top menu here, and then I'm going to select that is for a single speaker. And then you see my model setting, like that's the temperature. I can either increase it to 2 or leave it the way it is. And then you see the various voices that you can get here. You see all of them, so you can pick anyone by just listening to it first.
Ready to build something awesome today?
What idea do you want to bring to life? What kind of project are you thinking of?
What kind of problem could we solve?
Okay, so you just listen to them
What's a
and pick
skill
the
you'd
one
like to develop?
you want. So let's say I'm going for this zip file, okay, and then I close this place you're seeing here, and then I'm going to put in my text that I want it to read aloud. So you can see, and then I'm going to come here and put my instruction. I said I should read aloud in a Nigerian male accent as an advertiser. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to click on run. So you allow it to run by producing the audio, that's voiceover that you want to make use of. So it doesn't actually waste time depending on the quantity, that's the length of your content. So like I told you guys before, I love this particular platform because
Experts say this growth is being driven by a mix of smart investment, increased digital innovation, and a stronger focus on financial literacy. From small business owners expanding their reach online to young professionals diversifying their income streams, the landscape is clearly shifting.
okay, so I think the reason why it has a female voice is because this Sapphire that I picked is a female. Okay, so if I want a male, I just look for a male voice.
Ready to make something amazing?
What sparks your interest?
What kind of masterpiece? What kind of problem could? What kind of project are you? What idea?
Ready to build something awesome today? Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, so I want to show you how it's on a male's voice. So I've changed it to a male's voice, and my instruction says in Nigerian male accent as an advertiser. Okay, so I click on run, and let's see what it's going to bring for us.
Experts say this growth is being driven by a mix of smart investments, increased digital innovation, and a stronger focus on financial literacy. From small business owners expanding their reach online to young professionals diversifying their income streams, the landscape is clearly shifting.
Okay, so did you listen to that? That's so amazing. So as usual, I download it and use it wherever it is I want to use it. Okay, so it has an application also that you can install on your phone. So just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Google AI Studio. You can see it right here. This is the app. This is the app here. Google AI Studio. Okay, so when you install it, it's still the same process that you need to go through using either your browser or the application. So I hope you got value from this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this that will help content creators to create amazing good voiceovers. See you in my next video. Bye for now.
Have you ever needed a flyer, business design, or social media graphic and had to pay someone to create it? Or maybe you've seen people making money designing for businesses online and wondered how they do it. What if you could learn the same skill in a simple and practical way? In this Canva design and side hustle class, I'll show you how to confidently use Canva to create professional designs for businesses and clients. You'll learn how to design flyers, posters, wedding invitations, church flyers, and complimentary cards, even if you're a complete beginner. But that's not all. You'll also learn how to turn this skill into income, how to work with printers, and how to start getting your own design clients. When you join, you'll get access to 7 powerful training videos, over 7 bonus design tutorials, and a recorded live session, so you can learn at your own pace anytime. This means you won't just learn Canva, you'll learn how to use it to make money. The investment is only 3,999 naira, but the skill can pay you over and over again. If you're a business owner, student, freelancer, or someone looking for a profitable side hustle, this is for you. Click the link now and secure your spot. Your Canva skill and your next income opportunity starts today.